Excellent.
It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. So we got some cucumber and some celery with lime and some ginger. That's all. I'm keeping it very simple in the kitchen with you guys today. I could be giving you more to it, but I said no, I'm gonna keep it very simple as it is for today. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're going to put our blender right there. So this is our blender, okay, and we're going to start it off as it is. Anyway, before we go any further, let's talk about the book. There's a 50% off the book at the moment. Okay, here it is. All right, good morning, thank you so much. Dina, thank you so much for coming on the show. All right, the book is on Amazon and there is a massive 50% off right now. Go over and get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose. Here we go. So, ginger. Alright, we got the ginger right there inside of it. Lime, fresh lime inside, just like this. Cucumber, organic. I love my cucumber. That is excellent. All right, people. Yeah. So we're gonna put the cucumber, some celery, because I do like my celery. Celery is very good for the immune system, if you guys don't know that. All right. Yeah, lots of celery. Excellent. All right, so we got water. Excellent. We got some apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Yeah, I love my apple cider vinegar. I always use it because apple cider vinegar is one of those ones which very good for the immune system. We're just gonna put a little bit of a honey inside of it. All right. Yeah. All right, let's blend this. All right, this is how it looks. So what we're gonna do, we're going to make a little bit of a noise. Okay. Right. Lovely. So we're going to pour it out. All right. This is very good for you guys. Excellent. All right. So, here the juice. 50% of that 5 is in right here. Excellent, guys. So, where's my cup? All right. I'm going to simple pour it out. Right now, this is it right here, and we're going to drink it right now. Remember to get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipe to Success. It is available on Amazon. Go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of my book right here, guys. All right, a good vibes. Now let's give this a try. Wow, that is amazing. That's exactly what I'm talking about.